Forgot your Apple ID password so that cannot bypass the activation lock. Connect your iPad to the computer. Open PassFab Activation and Locker, click Start. Read the agreement and click Next. It will download the jailbreak tool automatically and require you to jailbreak your device. Insert a USB and click Start to create jailbreak environment. This will erase your data in the USB. Make sure you have a backup of your data. Then the software will burn the jailbreak environment to your USB. Once done, read the tutorial to learn how to jailbreak your device. You can also scan the QR code and read it on your phone. Now, restart the computer. Press F12 to enter boot options. Select to boot from the USB. This will bring you to the interface of the jailbreak tool. Use arrow keys to select options, press Enter. Navigate to allowed and tested iOS, iPad OS, tvOS versions. Press Enter. Then go to Skip All BPR check, press Enter. Select Back to return to the main interface. Press Start and Next. It will put your device into recovery mode. Now, follow the instructions to put your iPad into DFU mode. Press Start first. Press and hold the power button and the home button together. Release the power button but keep holding the home button for a few more seconds. Then it will jailbreak your device automatically. Restart the computer. Open PassFab Activation and Locker again. Click Start, Next. Press Start, remove and wait for a moment. Now, the activation lock has been removed successfully.